So you're using ChatGPT, feeling good, feeling confident? But wait, what about the plugins?
Oh man.
The plugins? If we told you that without ChatGPT plugins, you'd be left behind, we'd be lying. Cause without ChatGPT plugins, you're already dead. OpenAI dropped a bombshell when they launched ChatGPT 4, and they didn't stop there. They unleashed a whopping 85 plugins to level up your chatbot game and make your experience fly. But let's be real, not all of them are worth your time. At number 6, we have Prompt Perfect. You know how the quality of responses you get from AI depends on the prompts you provide, right? Well, we've got the perfect solution to make your prompts even better. Prompt Perfect takes your prompts to a whole new level of awesome. Crafting prompts is like playing darts. Sometimes you hit the bullseye and sometimes maybe the wall. With this plugin, you'll be able to construct prompts that are well-structured, effective, and guaranteed to hit the mark. So here's the deal. To harness the power of Prompt Perfect, all you gotta do is kick off your prompt with the magic word perfect. Yep, it's that simple. Just drop a perfect and then dive into the prompt you have in mind. When you do that, the plugin springs into action, replacing your prompt with an optimized version that's brimming with detail. By using this plugin, ChatGPT will provide accurate references, paint vivid examples, and can even add slang to give you more authenticity. Say goodbye to dull prompts that fall flat. With Prompt Perfect at your fingertips, you'll unlock a whole new level of interaction with GPT. Trust us, this upgrade makes GPT go way beyond, so aim for the bullseye, guys. And if you think this plugin's amazing, wait till you see what the next one has to offer. But hey, before we drop the heat on the next best plugin, go ahead and subscribe so that we can keep sharing top AI content with you. Number 5 on the list is Wolfram. Alright, listen up guys, this plugin is absolutely incredible. No exaggeration, Wolfram enables you to tap into the immense capabilities of ChatGPT powered by deep learning. With this plugin, you can simply ask GPT to dish out mind-blowing facts, calculations, graphs, charts, maps, or eye-catching diagrams. It's like having a personal genius right by your side. Let's break it down for you with some unbelievable examples. Say you're curious about the distance between New York City and Los Angeles. Just fire up the Wolfram GPT plugin and ask, hey, show me the distance between the Big Apple and the City of Angel. Bam. In a flash, you'll have the answer. Or let's say you're tackling a difficult maths problem and need a helping hand. Simply summon GPT with the plugin and ask, yo, calculate the integral of x squared plus 3x plus 5 with respect to x. In a blink of an eye, you'll have the answer. Now, we don't know about you, but we don't even understand the question, let alone the answer. These plugins are next level. Not convinced yet? Then picture this. You're in a heated debate with your friends about the world population over time. Why not log into ChatGPT and ask it to show you a graph of the global population growth over the past century? You'll be presented with a graph that settles the argument once and for all. But it doesn't stop there. Maps, charts, diagrams, you name it. The Wolfram GPT plugin delivers it all. Whether you're exploring the wonders of the universe, diving into the depths of advanced calculus, or simply satisfying your curiosity about historical events, this plugin has it all. Number 4. Link Reader. This plugin does exactly what it says on the tin. It reads the content of any web link you provide. But when you pair it up with other GPT plugins, you unlock totally new possibilities and start using AI effectively. Let's break it down with some examples. Say you stumble upon a fascinating article on the internet, and you're dying to share it with your ChatGPT buddy. Just let loose the Link Reader plugin and throw that link straight in. Within a moment, GPT will absorb all the details, sift through the words, and serve you up a tasty summary that captures the essence of that webpage. It's like having your own personal speed reader, minus the squinting and page flipping. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. What if we told you that fake news was a thing of the past? I'm sure we'd all benefit from that. With a Link Reader, you can uncover the truth within a news article and separate fact from fiction. All you have to do is provide it with that news link, and in a flash, ChatGPT will spring into action, comb through the article's content, and cross-reference it with reliable sources. Now that's a seriously impressive tool right there. Politicians, watch out. And let's not forget the sheer versatility of this plugin. Need a crash course on a complex topic? Just feed ChatGPT the link to an educational resource and it'll break it down for you in a language anyone can understand. Want to impress your friends with the latest trends in fashion, technology, or pop culture? No problemo. Just toss that link into the mix and ChatGPT will serve up a tantalizing snapshot of what's hot and happening. So friends, the Link Reader plugin isn't just a one-trick pony. With the power to summarize, fact-check, and explore the depths of the internet, this plugin is an essential addition to your ChatGPT arsenal. Next up is one for the foodies. This plugin will definitely get your taste buds tingling. But hey, before we go there, please hit the subscribe button and we'll keep serving cool AI content to you. At number 3, it's Instacart. This little gem, powered by artificial intelligence and generative AI, is your ultimate shopping companion. This plugin is so much more than just a shopping cart. It's like having a personal chef, a culinary guru, and a grocery shopping ninja all rolled into one. So here's the lowdown. The Instacart plugin is your ticket to grocery shopping nirvana. Need to find that perfect ingredient for your latest culinary masterpiece? Just fire up the plugin and let the magic begin. You can also ask questions about recipes, ingredients, products, and prices, all from the comfort of your virtual hangout. But wait, there's more. Brace yourselves for this. The Instacart plugin scans over 1.5 million products across more than 1,000 stores. Yes, you heard that right. So if you want personalized meal suggestions, the Instacart plugin has got your back. With a few taps of your keyboard, you'll be presented with a mouth-watering array of options, tailored specifically to your tastes and preferences. Now, here's the virtual cherry on top. Once you've got your perfect recommendation, the Instacart plugin takes things to another level. It doesn't just leave you hanging with a list of items to hunt down in the grocery store. Nope, it goes the extra mile. It provides you with a clickable link that directs you away to a shopping basket, already full with all the items you need. So, whether you're a seasoned chef looking to elevate your cooking game or a culinary explorer on the hunt for new flavors, the Instacart plugin is your secret sauce. The number 2 plugin, Video Insight. Here's the deal. The Video Insights plugin is your ultimate video interfacing tool. Whether you're looking to extract valuable information, create quick summaries, or dig into the details, this plugin has your back. First off, it's a master at creating video summaries that hit the nail on the head. Say goodbye to wasting time watching lengthy videos when all you need is a quick overview. The Video Insights plugin cuts through the unnecessary blurb and serves you up concise and spot-on summaries. If you have burning questions about specific topics covered in a video, throw them at the Video Insights plugin, and it'll work its way to give you the very answers you seek. And let's not forget about the metadata. The what? The metadata. The Video Insights plugin can also pull out key details like the number of views, likes, or comments on any given video. But you need to be a little cautious with the metadata, so always double check. Next up, Kayak. Alright, travel enthusiasts, pay attention because this one's for you. The Kayak plugin is your ultimate travel genie. It doesn't matter if you're in search of the perfect flight, a cozy hotel, a cool car rental, or thrilling activities to fill your itinerary. With this plugin, you can simply ask ChatGPT all your travel questions, and it'll tap into the vast knowledge and data of Kayak to serve up personalized recommendations tailored to your preferences. Imagine the scene. You're dreaming of a beach getaway. You turn to ChatGPT and ask it to help you find the best flight deals to a tropical paradise. In a flash, the Kayak plugin, leveraging its AI technology, will scan through its vast database of flights and present you with the perfect destination. But your adventure doesn't stop there. You've only just landed. With the Kayak plugin packed, you'll also uncover that place to call a home from home. Want a luxurious suite with a breathtaking view? Or maybe a cozy budget-friendly room that won't break the bank? Simply unleash the power of the plugin and watch it reveal a full list of accommodation matching your specific preferences, complete with the best deals in town. And if you need a car rental to explore your destination in style, the Kayak plugin is just waiting for you to buckle up. Just ask GPT to find you the sweetest wheels in town and prepare to be blown away by the options that roll in. From compact cars to a spacious SUV, this plugin has the keys to unlock a smooth and convenient journey. The Kayak plugin not only helps you find the best deals, but it also streamlines the booking process. No more jumping from site to site, entering the same details over and over again. With this plugin, you'll be able to secure your dream trip with a few clicks, all within the comfort of your virtual hangout. We don't know about you, but we cannot wait for the release of more ChatGPT plugins. Which one will you try first?